rain.
Yeah.
We can't do anything.
We should go yell at the front desk.
Yes, we should.
Let's go.
Now that was the absolute worst way to react to a rainy day, especially in Punta Mita. We can show you some ways to actually make some fun out of this rainy day. But first, we gotta eat our granola bars and get in the golf cart so we're all ready to go. Now that we're all set, we'll show you some fun things to do on your rainy day in Punta Mita.
Well, you see, if you don't like crowds, there's nobody at the noodle pool, so you can totally go all out and have some fun.
Basically the same thing with the ocean, except it's a little bit saltier.
Or you can stay indoors and play some air hockey or video games at the game room. You can also watch some movies in the movie theater. If you're hungry, you can always grab a bite to eat at either Pakia Ketsi, or RMR. But if you really have a hankering for a treat, why don't you enjoy some spectacular views and refreshments at the shack? Or have some ice cream. If you're tense, why don't you have a massage? You can always browse the many boutiques the Four Seasons has to offer. And don't forget to stop by the lobby, where the coffee bar is always open.
As you can see, no matter rain or shine,
There's always fun to be had in the Four Seasons.